Hi, my name is Clement. I'm from anvii Corporation. And today, I'm going to introduce wheel lights. As you can see on the ground, there are 3 wheel lights. Each light, they have 2 buttons. One is called the power button, and the other is called the mode button. The switch button, the power button, can turn on and turn the lights on, turn off, turn on, and turn off. And each lights, they synchronize with each other with infrared system. So you can turn on and you can also turn off at the same time. Let me show you how to install on your wheels. You find a place and you put the spokes in. You put the wheel lights in the spoke zone and make sure these 2 spokes are behind these 2 wings. When you are ready, in the middle, there's also 1 spoke. You push in and you lock your wheel light. When it's ready, make sure it's not moving. Let's find a even position. Make sure your 3 lights can put on the right space, right position. This is the second wheel lights, and this is the 3rd wheel light. So make sure everything is secure so it won't move in or fall off. You can turn on any power switch. Make sure. And then you don't have to turn on 3 switch to turn on. So let's see how it works when at dark. Let's start from the low speed. Okay, let's speed up to your normal bicycle speed. Let's turn the lights on. And then each wheel lights can also program your own patterns. As you can see here, they can synchronize with each other wirelessly. So use this system. You can program your own patterns from your own computer. That's about it. Thank you.